Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little video on how to curl with the Marcel iron. So if you are willing to learn, then stay tuned for step-by-step instructions. So what you're going to need to do is to take a section of hair that is about half an inch to about an inch wide. And before you even curl the hair, you need to test the iron to make sure it's not too hot, because you can burn the hair if the iron is too hot. So I have 2 of my fingers on the outside of the iron, 2 of my fingers within the iron, and my thumb is on the other side of the iron. So it'll be my thumb on the top, my middle finger and my index finger in the middle, and my pinky and my ring finger on the end. So this allows me to hold and control the iron in a manner where it doesn't fall out my hand. So what I'm doing now is I'm just feeding in the hair while I'm turning the iron to try to get all the hair within the wire. Not the wire, I'm sorry. Within the barrel. So when I feed all the hair in, I'm just going to slowly see how the hair loosens up? And you can just slowly slide the hair off of the barrel. So I'm going to do another section for you so you can carefully see how it was done again. And I'll try to explain it the best way I can. Okay, so we have our inch to a half inch to an inch of hair. And make sure to test the iron before you put it on the client's hair or even your hair. You don't want to burn your hair. Like I said, you don't want to burn your hair. So now I'm going to grab the hair. See how my hands are in the iron? I'm going to grab the hair and feed it through the barrel until all the hair is wrapped around the barrel, kind of like a snake or a rope. And just feel free to move the hair over if you need to place it in the right direction to help you slide the hair through. But I'm just opening and closing the barrel with all of my fingers, slowly opening and closing, and this allowed me to slide the hair through the barrel. Without that motion, you wouldn't be able to work the hair through the barrel really well. And when all the hair is through the barrel, like I said, it's going to loosen up, and all you have to do is just slide the barrel away from the curls. And there you go. You have a perfect curl.